2022 Off-Road Products Expo. There's so much to do. There's tons of vendors. There's fun for the whole family. They got concession stands. They have a t-shirt cannon blowing off somewhere. Rockford over here is really carrying on the tunes for us, so y'all have time to check it out. And we also are releasing new product this weekend. I want to show you this Thumper cab front bumper. This thing is a beast. It's massive, but it's also a beauty. It really pops and stands out with this. We'll continue letting these men turn these wrenches.
This is our 72-inch X3 forward A-arm. They're right there 2 inches forward, and they're all quarter wall DOM. So what this is gonna do, not only does it add strength, the lower arms are high arched, but it's gonna allow you to put a bigger tire on your machine. So look at that roof, it's holding up a 35-inch tire. You can take that if you're at a mud park, maybe it's an outlaw. If you're out on the trails, you can have whatever tire you have on your machine. It's not in the way of your cooler, your storage bag, but look at that sucker.
So I want to show you some products on this General XP4 1000 right here behind me. Up top, we'll start with our General Rockford Fallgate 360 light bar audio room. Y'all, this thing really thumps. It's got 4 6x9s, 10-inch sub, customizable accent panels that you can change to match your ride. Got your party lights, rock lights up there in the roof. Down below, we have our General rock sliders, also customizable accent panels. We like to do this so the riders can make them their own, all set themselves apart and really match your ride to really make it pop. Up front, we have our General winch ready bumper, also customizable accent panels, CNC laser cut up on top. Pick out your light bar, throw it on, pick out your winch, throw it on, and you're ready to ride, hit the trails, do whatever you'd like to do with it. Let's check out this thumped out Ranger XP 1000 behind me. These are the Thumper Fab Winglets. They mount over the factory Polaris bumper. Tucked behind are the dual row 6-inch light bars. So what really sets these winglets aside is they don't just focus on the front of the trail while you're riding. It spans out to really light the ditches up, and you can see a little bit more around you and in front of you to see what's coming your way. Right here are our Thumper Fab half doors for the XP 1000 with the customizable accent panels, so you can get these to match any color you want, really stand out from the rest of them. Down below are our Thumper Fab Nerf rails with a beautiful honeycomb pattern. Adds a little bit of protection to the machine. Up top is our Thumper Fab 360 light bar Rockford Fallgate 6x9. So I know it's loud in here, but that's what happens when you're at a show. There's so much going on this